Build your endurance with pliés, relevés, and squats in this 5-minute bar workout. In just 5 minutes, 5 days a week, you'll work your entire lower body. Let's go.
We're going to begin first in finding a first position, which is our heels together and toes apart. We'll take this into a little plie, but first I want you to find a little tuck of the pubic bone here, tilting that pelvis in, zipping up your inner thighs. You're moving as though you're going through those 2 panes of glass, and you don't want to hinge forward or drop the arches and bring the knees together. So to begin, we'll just start with a little pulse here, bending the knees and squeezing to come back up, keeping up with our nice, tall, pretty posture, belly button drawing to the spine. Starting with this little lower and lift, and then taking into faster little pulses. Again, finding that push and pull versus bouncing into the joints. You're zipping up those inner thighs and keeping that pubic bone tucked in. Keep pulsing here. Keep checking in, make sure you've got 2 fingers on your bar and not a death grip. Just those 2 fingers to help you with balance. Tiny little pulses, should be feeling a little warm here. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep those legs zipped together. Now we're gonna lift the heels to a little releve and lower. So lift and lower. As you come up here, watch the ankles. You don't want to roll outward. So if you need to take that lift to be very small, that's okay. Little lift and lower. Keep the inner thighs zipped up. And that nice tall posture moving through your 2 panes of glass. And let's take this to a little pulse. A little faster. Find that push and pull, avoiding a bounce. Keep those inner thighs zipped up. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Bring your feet to a parallel position and bend the knees to a little plie and bring it up. Again, push and pull. This time still moving through those 2 panes of glass. And pulse it out here. Check in with those abdominals. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lengthen the legs and now have a seat back. Take this to a little squat. Shoot that booty back like you're looking for a chair and tuck to come up. Back and tuck. Chest stays lifted, weight stays in the heels. And tuck. And tuck. Engaging those glutes. Engaging those abdominals. For 4, 3, 2, hold back here on 1, tiny pulses. Lift an inch, lower an inch, and keep the weight in those heels. Keep pulsing here. Keep breathing. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold on 1, now lift the heels, rock it forward and lower. Hold that little squat. 2, rock. 3, it's a little lift. 6, 7, 8, 2 more here, 9. Hold it up on 10, now tiny pulses. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, keep going. Keep breathing, check in with those abdominals again. Always checking in on your position, on your posture. Keep pulsing, those quads should be burning by now. 8 more, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold here on 1 now, pulse in and out. Move those knees back and forth, in and out. Keep it going. If you need to, you can lower the heels and do this in your squat. Wobble those legs side to side, faster and faster. Keep going. Hold on to that posture. 8, 7, almost there. 6, 5, 4, 3, should be burning by now. 1, lower down, lengthen those legs, and now we'll just finish off with some prances here. Lift and lower the heels, prance it out. Good job. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.
Subscribe to our channel for a new weekly 5-minute session you can do every day to target problem areas. Or you can combine all the sessions for a full body workout.